Alright guys, we're back. Got in a last minute trade. Market closes in like 15 minutes. I just got in on it because you can see this 503 resistance level. It first started here, confirmed it here on the second touch, and from this point it's just been battling with it, right? But I have noticed it's been making lower lows even on the 2-minute. I went on the 2-minute at this part, right? It's making lower lows. So first it has this support at 502.75, one touch here, and then since then it's been making lower lows and respecting the EMA. And I got in on this candle. It could be a pullback to it and whatnot. Who knows? But that's why I got in on it. You're gonna see. So I'm gonna see how things go, and I'll let you guys know if I'm sell. I might sell now. I'm not gonna I might sell now. How much? I'm down by 10. I'll let you guys know. What's up, guys? We're back. We're up 30. I'm gonna try to sell 31, and we're filled. Damn. I guess we just went up to 32. Hopefully we could get filled. Come on. One more. All right, great. Just really wanted to get filled. Just because earlier today we did take a loss, right? It was a $30 loss. That's why we're down $30.64. So I just really wanted to get that back. So we started the day with 651. We're ending it with 650.56. So $1.28 loss overall for the day, which isn't bad. I just wanted to get that back so I didn't end the day on a too bad negative. You know what I mean? But could have maybe stayed in, but I just thought it would be safe to call it. The first trade was that we took, which was it? It was, I think, I would have to see. But either way, for this trade, it was just a basic. We were just looking on buyers' momentum. Sellers, like the sellers losing momentum, right? So first at 503, it touched it, went down all the way here, came back again, went down lower. Went down low, but didn't come close to the lows it made on the first touch, right? And then on these touches, it didn't even come down low to the second touch. So so that was telling me that there's not enough selling pressure to even than before. So then the selling pressure is dying down, right? And if the selling pressure is going down, then I only expected the buying pressure to go up. That's why I got into a call, and it around this candle, and then it went up and giving me a $30 profit. Hold on. Giving me a $30 profit. That helped me get somewhat of this back, right? Help me get this back. I started the day with 651, took a loss, and now with that trade, before the end of the day, we're able to bounce back, and which is better than ending the day on negative 30. And if we would have lost that trade before, we would have probably been ended the day off 50, right? So it's good. Just come back tomorrow and look to be better. Let me see you guys. Hey guys, I just wanted to come back real quick. Just to recap my first trade. While I was trying to explain the last one, I pretty much lost because pretty much I was waiting for price to break out of this 500.5 level. It did, but it pulled back. And because I was down on the pullback, I got out. If I would have, stayed in, price obviously came back, and I would have been able to get my money back. But a pullback happened, and I didn't want to wait it out. So I got out. So that was basically it. But it wasn't a bad trade in my opinion. Because as you see, what happened? Yeah, price broke out of it here, retested it, made two highs of 596. So that was the resistance that I was seeing that, okay, price did break out of this 500.5 level, but price is having trouble breaking out and going higher past 500.96, right? So when price finally did break above it with a nice strong green candle, I got in. And again, just pullback happened, scared me out. I got out. If I would have just held in, or at least would have waited for it to come back to his 500.5 and break through it, I would have gotten my money back, right? I just didn't because I was down, and if I was wrong and price did come down to the 500.5 level and break through it, I would have lost more money, you know. So yeah, so it was just a classic. I should have held in and let and just watch price, and then price would have went back. I would have got my money back and would have been in some profit earlier in today. So that was the reason I took this first $30 loss. Thankfully, my second trade for the day, I got it back, and it was just like $30 or whatever. And because of that, we ended the day pretty much almost around where we started, 651. We ended up with 650, which is much better than, us ending the day off with a $30 or more loss. So just going to come back tomorrow, look to be better. And yeah, so see you guys.